Our team weather coverage continues as a number of local school districts cancel classes early. WTVA's Amanda Haley spoke with teachers and students in one local county about that decision.
According to the emergency management director here in Union County, he says the decision to close schools early came after they realized that many rural roads had been flooded. James Baker is a teacher at Myrtle Attendance Center. Baker used the early dismissal to spend some time with his wife and baby. As a new dad and a teacher, Baker says it truly is all about the safety of the kids.
I think everyone's getting to go home early, really to protect the safety of the kids. You know, the kids and then also the staff as well.
The Union County School District announced in a Facebook post that all schools in the county dismissed at 12:30. Ken Basil, the superintendent of schools in Union County, dismissed classes early because of the flooding. Emergency Management Director Kurt Clayton says that many of the roads school buses use became dangerous for drivers.
I think buses being on back roads a lot of times can cause different problems, and so I think, you know, leaving at 12:30 is a great cause.
Now, according to Clayton, if more heavy rain continues today and through the night, he says it's very possible that the hours for school tomorrow in Union County could change again. I'm Amanda Haley reporting in Union County, WTVA 9 News.